Hey, this is Randy at Mountain Air Farms. Alright, we finished up on our little barn project. My camera girl ain't here today, but we just closed in that back there. We used to have a door, but there's really no way to get in back there though. So we finished that up. And we went down one side. He didn't want to go the whole way, so we're just kind of patching as we go. Just trying to save a little bit of it anyhow. And we're placed down to that one section there anyhow. Get them up off the ground just a little bit. That's the back side of that where we closed it in. But that way I had to keep a little bit of weather off his stuff as he's coming in. A little bit anyhow. I mean, this old barn is old. I mean, you could keep going and going and going and going repairing stuff. But we're just doing it a little bit at a time. This is up where she won't fall down. He can still use it. She don't leak, so that's a good thing. Well, just remember, like and subscribe. I was just going to shoot that to you today. We just finished that up this morning. That's all we had to do. As my wife says, remember, we love you and God loves you. Y'all have a nice day.